bum.
Oh. Stop!
Something doesn't like me.
I'm hitting the wall on my left. Hi guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving. My name is Salmon and today I'm not in the car, I'm at home. But there's a reason for this. Recently, I've just hit 1 million subscribers thanks to you guys, and the 1 million plaque has arrived. Now, it arrived a few days ago, but I didn't open it because I wanted to show you guys first, so let's get opening. But before we go into today's video, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every single one of you guys for all your continued support, because I would not be here without your support. I would not be able to have these amazing opportunities that I have had throughout this year without your guys' support. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you guys enjoy watching this content, don't forget to press that like button down there. Let me know what you've enjoyed about the videos throughout this year in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you're new and select that bell icon right over there. Okay, let me get it because I can't believe I've actually not opened this. There it is. This feels amazing because it's such a big achievement. It is a massive achievement. Okay. Let's open this. Okay, this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm now gonna take this out. Oh, hello. I've got a hand-signed letter, or at least it looks hand-signed. You did it. 1 mission, 1 channel, and one more thing, 1 million subscribers. You may have started with just a few viewers, but your voice, your passion, and creativity have now touched the lives of people around the world. And the community that you've built is enriched by the stories that you've shared as you bring people together. To honor this milestone, we're proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. I can see it now. We hope that this special recognition will remind you of how much you mean to so many. Every day you are redefining how content is created and watched, 1 voice and 1 video at a time. It's a privilege to be a part of your journey. We can't wait to see what you do next. Yours sincerely, YouTube CEO. Okay. Oh, this looks amazing. Sorry. Trying to contain my excitement. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is amazing. That is so nice. Oh my god. Presented to Clearview Driving for passing 1 million subs. Oh, this is so nice. I'm gonna keep my mouth closed now. Okay, last one. Okay, this is really cool. How did I forget to put my light on for that? That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna put them away now. 2024 has been an amazing year with lots of you guys taking part in driving lessons and mock test videos on this channel. So let's take a look at all of the highlights throughout the year.
Bum.
Oh.
Right. I'll remember the nose lift next time.
Stop! 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 Thank you. Drive off when you're ready. So I'm not going to get you to do that again, just continue driving normally.
No one indicates these days. All right.
Whoops. Whoops. Didn't have to stop there. What's going on now? Sorry.
You line up with it. I'm proper being tested here, and I feel like I know I'm gonna go wrong. Wait.
We need to move from here.
Something doesn't like me.
I'm hitting the wall on my left. The car's like, I don't like this. Stop. Stop. Thank you. I'm not going to get you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready. So this white line is a hazard line. You're going to hit the car's wing mirror. I'm stopping you there. White line is a hazard line. You're going to hit the car's wing mirror. I'm stopping you there. Release your pedals for a second. Okay.
That was too close.
Okay. Yes. Sorry. Didn't want to go into the junction there.
Sorry, that was quite harsh.
Now feet ready? In you go. Clutch down. Too fast on the clutch. Accelerate and just lift the clutch slowly. Take your time with it. Just kind of feel for the bite. There it is. And we're just going to go straight from here. Stop! I'm going to get you to do that one more time.
Alright, sure.
Okay, drive off when you're ready.
Alright.
Car right there. Yeah? Car right there. Yeah? Stop! Thank you, I'm not going to get you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready. Take the turn slower. You're going into that too far. No. We've got a vehicle right here. Yeah?
Well, wasn't it supposed to go that in late because it was in
No,
left lane?
you can go straight from the left lane.
Okay.
To steam up, I'm going to put it on 2.
Yeah.
Oh! Okay, that was way too close. That was way too close. Now we do not stop for the bus, okay? He's on your left. We're going to go straight, Gavin. We're not... Hey, don't stop, Gavin.
Yeah.
That was very confusing because you put in your indicator.
Oh, yeah.
You want to start following your own routes now? We're going straight.
Straight, yeah. Just don't put us into the river. Shut up, man.
I don't think that remark was very helpful, Jeremy.
Just to remind him.
Oh, that was a bit close, wasn't it? Was that me?
At the right, not the car.
Oh, okay. We're a bit close to the edge, sorry. We're just gonna...
Unless there's cars from the left coming, so just look out.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sorry. Okay, now drive careful.
Wow!
All those tears that I was holding in came out today.
Really well done. Now this next bit was really difficult because I know you guys love a good emergency stop as much as I do. So here's the top 5 emergency stops of all time.
Stop! Stop!
That's fine, thank you. Drive off when you're ready. I'm not going to get you to do that again. Just continue driving as normal, okay?
Stop! Stop!
Thank you. Drive off when you're ready.
Stop!
Brake and clutch.
Really nice stop! Stop!
Thank you. Drive off when you're ready. I'm not going to be getting you to do that again.
Sorry?
Right.
Stop! Stop!
Thank you. I'm not going to get you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready. Now this next one was even harder. Here's the top 5 funniest moments of all time.
Can I move forward?
Just drive off, it's fine.
They told me that's the easiest maneuver and I can't do it. I'd rather parallel park.
Okay Sam, what we're going to do now, using the vehicle ahead, I'd like you to demonstrate how you would carry out the parallel park exercise. With your feet prepared to stop, and when you get to the end, come back to brake and clutch. Did you forget we were going to stop?
No, I didn't, because I thought you were gonna take control.
What? Okay, so
I'm just reenacting it. Oh, man.
I'm telling you, I checked that. Oi! Hello, come on. You got plenty of... What are you shaking your head at me for? Hello, come on. You got plenty of... What are you shaking your head at me for?
And that's it. That is a wrap for 2024. Let's see what 2025 brings our way. I hope you all have an amazing year ahead of you. Don't forget to like this video before you leave at this point. It would mean a lot to me. And thank you for all of your support. And that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I don't know what's going on.